The consequences of a natural disaster like an earthquake in southern Turkey can be devastating for a city and its inhabitants. But amid the destruction, there is often a silver lining, a growing construction industry. In this video, we explore how real estate rentals, purchases, and sales can take off in the aftermath of an earthquake, and the real estate investments that follow. After an earthquake, many buildings and infrastructures are damaged, and the need for reconstruction and repairs is high. This leads to an increase in demand for construction workers, construction materials, and services, and subsequently an increase in employment opportunities and economic activity in the construction sector. This growth in the construction industry can have a positive impact on the real estate market. As the construction industry grows, so does the demand for housing in the affected areas. This means that renting, buying, and selling property will become more attractive to people who need a place to live or to investors looking for an opportunity. In affected areas and in major cities such as Istanbul, this demand can cause rental rates, property prices, and property values to skyrocket. The demand may also spread to other nearby cities and, of course, Istanbul, leading to broader growth in the real estate market. However, this growth of the real estate market takes time to develop. It can take several years for the market to fully recover from the effects of an earthquake. During that time, real estate investors, developers, and entrepreneurs have the opportunity to invest in the affected areas, and that can lead to a growing trend in real estate investment in the long run. In summary, the aftermath of an earthquake can lead to a growing construction industry, creating jobs and increasing demand for renting, buying, and selling real estate. This increased demand may lead to a long-term trend in investment in the real estate market. Thank you for watching.